How we can update this? For example, I want to update this country, entire, all the employees, all the 5, how many employees are present in this table? 5 employees are present. I want to update all the employees country, it should be US. How we can update? Normal, how we can write the query? By using update command only. Update. What is our table name? Take that table name. Update table name. Set which column we need to update? Country column only. Take that country value. Take that country value equal to US. Equal to US. Now, can I write any condition here? No need to require the condition. Why? Because we are able to update all the employees country, it should be US. Then we can write the query like this only. If you are able to write any specific employee country, then you can write the where condition. For this case, the where condition syntax, it should be optional. No need to write the mandatory syntax, correct? Only mandatory syntax we need to write. No need to write the where condition here. What is our current requirement? All the employees country, it should be, you need to update it as a US only. That's the reason, no need to write the where condition here. Is it clear up to this, all of you? Now, what is the syntax? Before that, I am going to write the syntax. Just you have to see here. Update table name, set column 1 equal to value 1. Here you need to give the comma. Column 2 equal to value 2, comma, column 3 value 3. This is the syntax and so on. You need to write multiple columns are there, then you can write this syntax only. Okay. Finally, column n equal to value n. Up to this is the mandatory syntax only. Up to this is the mandatory syntax. What is the optional syntax as per our query? This is the where condition, it should be optional. Where condition, it should be optional only. Now, what is our current requirement? If you are able to update all the employees country, it should be US. That's the reason the syntax, it should be optional. That's the reason the syntax, it should be optional. This is the square bracket, any syntax, the square brackets, it is there. That is the optional syntax only. No need to write this. What is the mandatory syntax? Up to this is the mandatory syntax only. Up to this is the mandatory syntax. As per the current requirement, you need to update all the employees country or only specific employee country you need to update as per the current requirement. Now you can tell me, we need to update all the employees country, it should be US or only specific employee country we need to update the US as per the current requirement.
All the country.
All the employees country should be changed to US only. Now if you run the query, just check it here. Before running this query, no, already the query is there. What the value is there? Initially for all the 5 employees, India country, it is present as per this table data. Now after execution of this query, now how many rows are updated at a time? 5 rows only. Now give the apply the commit. Now you can see the data. Now you can see the data. In the previous, what is the data? It is present in the country column. All the employees country, it should be India. Now what the value you want to update? US only. Is it clear? Now after this, all will be clear for this. This is the specific column. Specific column without any condition. Can I write any condition here? Where condition can I use it as per this syntax? Current syntax. There is no where condition. Why? Because without any condition, for example, currently, how many students are joined? As of now, 9 students are joined. If you are able to update all the students country, it should be US. Then you can write the query like this only. Then you can write the query like this only. For example, out of 9 students, just I am able to update the Abdul country only. In the previous, what is the Abdul country? It is there. India, it is there. Now I want to change it to only this person country as a US only. The other remaining persons, I am able to see it as India only. How we can do? How we can do? All of you clear the requirement. Now all of you clear the requirement. Now, as per the given data, as per the given table data, all the employees country you want to change to update without writing any condition only. If you are able to update any specific employee country, if you are able to update any specific employee country, then you can go for the condition only. Clear up to this? Now I am going to write the condition. Just observe here how to update the single column with condition. How to update the single column with condition only. With condition. Now here I am going to write it. What is my current requirement? I am able to update third employee country. It should be changed to UK. What is my current requirement? I don't want to update all the employees country. It should be changed from US to UK. That it is not our requirement. What is our requirement? Only need to update the third employee country, changed from US to UK. How we can do that? Then only we can have specific record. If we are able to update the specific row, then we can use the where condition only. Later I can tell you what is where condition. Just observe here. Update. What is the table name? Just take the table name. Set which column I need to update? Country column only. What the value we need to update?
UK.
UK. Okay, previously what is there for this third employee? US it is there. Now what the condition we need to write it here? If for the syntax, what it is there? Where condition. We need to add the where condition only. Where here, where employee number equal to 3. Which employee number country we need to change as per the requirement? Third employee number only. Third employee number, we need to change the country from US to UK. Currently, what the data is there for this third employee? What is the country? US it is there. Now, after updating this query, now you can check the data. Now, what the value? Just one row is updated. One row is updated. Just write the commit command only. After commit, it can save the data permanently into the table. Commit also done. Now what I am going to do? Write the query. Just select star from, copy this query and check the third employee country. Is it changed to from US to UK or not? Now you can check it. Is it changing or not? Only one person record is changed or all the employees data is changed?
Only one person change.
Is it clear up to this, all of you? How we can update the single employee data? How can we do that? By using where condition only. This condition, depending on your requirement, if you are able to use this condition only. For example, as per my requirement, all the employees country I am changed to UK to UAE. How we can do? All the employees I want to change the country for all the employees. What are all the values is there? 4 employees are having the US country is there. 1 employee country is having the UK. But what is my current requirement? All the employees country I want to change it to UAE only. How we can do that for that case? We can update all the employees or single employee as per the current requirement. Will you clear the requirement or not? Now, if you are able to update the single person, specific employee data, then you can write the where condition only. Okay. Next, what is my requirement? I am able to update all the employees country. You want to change it to UAE only. How we can do that? How we can write the query?
Without where condition.
That's good. Without writing the where condition only. All means all the employees without writing any condition. If you're able to do any specific employee, then we can go for the where condition. Just remember this point. Later I can tell you what is where everything. Okay. Clear up to this? Now I'm going to write the one more query. How to update the multiple columns. How to update the multiple columns with where condition. With condition, not where, anything you need to write it here. With condition. Now how we can do? What is my requirement? Go to this. Second employee. Currently, what is the job it is there? Currently, what is the value it is there? Employee job, what it is? Second employee. What is the job for the second employee? Employee number is 2. Okay. Just write it here. This is the old data. Now, what is the job here? Manager. Okay. What is this? Salary, what it is? 1 lakh it is there. As of now, as per the data, 1 lakh it is there. Or if it is 2 lakhs, then we can change that. As per current requirement only, I am going to tell you. What is my, how many columns we need to update? Job, I am changed to. Job, change it to manager to. Okay. Manager to consultant. Like that, I am going to write it. That what is the size? I don't know exactly. 1 minute. This is a big name. Clerk only. Senior manager, like that I'm going to write it. Okay, senior manager I'm going to write it here. Okay, now job, what is the previous for this employee? Second number employee, what is the job currently? He got the promotion. Then what is the next role? What is his job role? Senior manager only. Now initially what is the salary for this employee? 1 lakh it is there, correct? 1 lakh it is there. Now I want to change it to 2 lakhs only. But this employee is having currently 1 lakh. Now what is the salary? 2 lakhs or 2 lakhs 50,000. Okay, this is my requirement. Now you can tell me how many columns we need to update for this case? 2 columns data. Which employee details we need to update here?
2.
Second employee details. Now you can tell me, can I use the condition or not here? Only specific record we need to update. If you are able to update a specific row, then we can go for the where condition only. How we can write the query? Just update table name. What is the table name? Take the table name. Set how many columns we need to update? First job equal to. What the previous job it is there for this? Manager it is there. Now I want to change it to senior manager. Okay. Next one, what is the salary here in the previous for this employee? 1 lakh it is there. Now I want to change it to 2,50,000. Okay. 2,50,000. Now here, now if you are able to run this query, now you can tell me how many rows it's update. If you are able to run this query, how many rows the data is going to update?
Every column 5.
Every column, each and only these 2 columns, job and salary, each and every employee is changed to senior manager and 2,50,000. What is our current requirement? Can I update all the employees or specific employee? What is our current requirement?
Only 2.
Only specific employee record. For that case, what I am going to do? We are able to write the where condition only. Where here employee number equal to 2 only. That's it. This is the requirement only. Now I am going to run this query. Now before run this query, you need to check the data. Already data you have seen here. Second employee, what is this? Current job it is what it is? What is the second employee current job as of now as per the data? Manager. What is his salary as of now as per the data?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Now after updating the data, what the values we need to change it here? For the second employee, instead of manager, what value you need to print?
Senior manager.
Instead of the salary 1 lakh, what value we are going to expect? 2,50,000.
2,50,000.
Now I am going to run the query, check the data. Okay, 1 row is updated. Just give the commit only. Commit is completed. Now check the data. The values it should be updated or not for the particular employee. Now check the data. Is it updated or not? Only second employee details. Now check the job column and salary column. Is it updated or not? Now the values it should be coming or not here for these 2 columns.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear up to this? How can we update the multiple columns with condition only? This is the way we need to write the queries. This is called as update command only. This is called as update command only. Is it clear up to this?
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
is having any doubts? Next one, I'm going to write it as a 1 minute. I can copy all the things.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఎంప్లాయీ నంబర్ రిపీట్ కాదు కాబట్టి మనం 2 ఇచ్చినాం. ఇన్ కేస్ ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్ ఇస్తే
employee name kada. No need to use the employee names in the only IDs only. IDs are unique, correct? IDs are unique only. IDs no need to change, correct? Majority times only they are able to use it as unique employee numbers only. Employee number is a unique values, sir. There is no duplicate values, sir. Employee names are coming duplicate or not? Employee names, for example, Srinivas it is there. How many people the name is having Srinivas? There are different people is the name is having the Srinivas, but IDs is same. Now you can tell me.
No,
No.
not same.
IDs are
Employee ID
different.
not same.
IDs are different, correct? That's the reason we need to use the condition always unique values only. Majority, 90% we have written the condition, unique values condition only. Okay. Now, one more query I'm going to tell you here. For this is the table. Now you can tell me the answer. Anyone. If I'm going to write the query like this, select star from EMP. Now, for this data, how many employees are working as a department number 10? This is the department number column. Okay. How many, for this department number column, how many values are existing? Just check the data. For the department number column, how many values are 10 it is there?
3.
3.
3, correct? For this department number 10, how many employees are working as per this table data? 3 employees only, correct?
3.
Now, how we can write the query condition here? Later, I can tell you, no need to worry for all the things where department number equal to 10. I am going to write the condition here. Okay. Now, how many employees are working? For this, 3 employees
3.
only. 3 different jobs are there or not for here?
Yes.
Now, what is my current requirement? I am able to change this third employee. What is this third employee number? 7934, correct? What is the role of, what is the job of this employee 7934 as per the given data?
Clerk.
Clerk only. I want to change this clerk as a manager only. How we can do that? All of you clear the requirement? For the department number 10, how many employees are working? Department number 10. How many employees are working?
3.
3 employees only. Okay. 3 employees only. Now, what is my current requirement? 7934 employee number. Employee number 7934. What is his role? What is his job as of now?
Clerk.
Clerk only. Okay. But he is working in which department?
10.
10.
Department number 10 only. Is it clear up to this? Now, what is my requirement? For this employee 7934, the job I am going to change it as a clerk to manager only. How we can do that? How we can write the query? Can anyone guess it and tell me the answer? Which command we need to write? Update, is it suitable or
Where?
not?
Yes.
Where?
Update.
Where?
Update. What is our table
Job
name?
equal to manager.
Update table name. First, we need to write the table name.
Table name.
Update is a command table name. Next, what is the keyword? Set only.
Set.
Set.
Right.
That which column I need to update the value?
Job.
Job. Just you need
Job.
to make the column as a job.
Job
What
equal
value
to
do we need to
manager.
give?
Manager.
Manager. Okay. If
Where.
we are able to do this
employee,
without writing
Where-
any condition, how many values we need to update here? All the employees
All
data. The job is changed to manager only. What is our current requirement? Under
Only
the
third.
department number
Only-
10, 7934 employee data, I am going to change the job only. That is my requirement. That's the reason what I am going to do here. What is the condition? we
Where
need to write?
condition.
Where
Where
department number
Employee
equal
When
to
number
10.
equal to 10 and
If you're able to write this query, is it satisfied? As per our
No.
requirement? No.
no
If you're able to write the
employee number.
condition, all the department number 3 employees job is changed to manager. That is not correct. What is our current requirement? Under the department number 10, 7934 employee, we need to change the job only. For that case, what I am going to do, and one more condition we need to write it here. And employee number equal to
equal to
793. That's it. This is the query we need to write. Now for this one, what it is up to this, there are 3 employee job. It is update to manager. But what is our current requirement? Under department number 10, under the employee number 7934 only, we need to change the job. This is the condition we need to write. Now run the query. Just pin this result. Just check the data. Now just run the query. Now how many rows are updated? Is it update the single row or 3 rows?
one row.
One row. Without writing this condition, for example, if I want to comment this query, how many rows are updated?
3.
3
Three.
rows.
3.
3.
That is not correct. As per our requirement, that is not correct. Correct? This is the correct condition only. Now go to your query. The 7934 employee job is changed to manager or not. Now you can check it. If you win it out, just check it. Just I'm going to apply the commit. First apply the commit. Now write this. Now run the query. Only 7934 job is changed to manager or not? Initially in the previous what it is there? Clerk only. Now you want to change it to manager or not? Is it clear? All of you clear for this? Clerk it is there. Now what we are going to change? Manager only. Just I'm going to write as a bracket, manager only. Okay, this is the way we need to write it. Clear? You can practice. There are different ways we need to write it as a coming classes for update, insert, delete and everything we need to write it. No need to worry. These are the major condition only. How to update the data without any condition. How to update the data with condition only. This is the syntaxes we need to write it. In future, multiple conditions also we need to write depending on the requirement. Okay. Next, I'm going to move it as a next command. What it is? Delete only. Next command, what it is? Delete command only. Third one, what it is? Delete only. Why do we want to go for the delete? Now, what is the purpose of delete? Now you can tell me. What is the purpose of delete?
To delete rows.
To delete the rows only, correct? To delete the records. When we'll go for this, what type of scenario we will use the delete command? For example, if you want to take any organization, any MNC company like Accenture, TCS, Infosys, they are able to maintain all the employee information in one table or not? Now you can tell me. How they can maintain the employee information? They are able to, they have to create one table. Once the any employee join in the company, each and every employee details, they are able to store that particular table only. Okay. After some years, he got the opportunity, better opportunity in other company. Okay. He got the better opportunity in other company. Then he resigned the job in the current company. Now the current company, they are able to maintain the resigned employee details in the tables. Now you can tell me. Is it required?
No.
Now all of you clear the requirement. For example, Bhavana is joined as a TCS. Okay. After 2 years, she got the better opportunity. She can move it to Infosys. Okay. Better better salaries. Okay. Anything it is better only compared to current job only. Now in the TCS company, they are able to maintain the Bhavana's details. Is it required? After resign the job, is it able to require? Current table, no need to require, correct? For in future purpose, they want to take the Bhavana's details as a backup table, not for main table. They don't store Bhavana details in the main table only. For that case, what they are going to do? They are going to use the delete command only. When the employees resign in the company, immediately what they are going to do? Which command it can be helpful? Delete command only. What the use of delete command? Delete command, it is used to delete the existing table data only. Existing rows are, if you are able to delete the single row, yes, it's possible. If you are able to delete the multiple rows, it is possible. If you are able to delete the entire rows, all the rows, yes, it's possible only. What is the syntax? Delete command? Delete from table name only. Delete from table name. Here it is an optional syntax. What it is? Where condition only. Where condition only. This is, just see this. What it is? This is optional syntax. If you are able to use this condition, yes, you can use it. If you don't use this condition, yes, you can use that. Now, what is the use of delete command? This is the delete command only. What is the purpose? If you are able to delete any record from your table, the delete command always it can delete the rows only. It won't touch the columns. Just remember this point. What the use of this delete command? The delete command always it can delete the rows only, not for columns. Structure it won't touch. Drop, what the use of drop command? Drop always it can able to delete the rows and columns permanently. Correct or not? Drop command, already we have seen this example in the previous. Delete command, it won't delete the columns, only it can delete the rows only. Is it clear up to this? Now I'm going to write the condition. First this table only, just check it. Select star from XX underscore E. What is the table name? XX underscore EMP underscore insert. Just I'm going to write this table. How many rows are there here? How many rows are there? 5 rows only. I want to delete all the employees records. How we can write the query? All of you clear the requirement? I want to delete all the employees data in this table. For that case, what I am going to do? You are able to use this syntax only. Delete from table name only. What does it mean for this? Delete from table name. It can delete all the rows from the table only without writing any condition. Clear up to this, all of you? Just I am going to write the query. Delete from xx_emp_insert. Just see this. Now I am going to remove this record. How many rows are deleted? For the message, it can be displayed.
1 row.
No, check it. How many rows deleted?
No, 5 rows.
Now, what is the use of this condition? Delete from table name. If you are able to write this condition, entire records it can be
5
delete
rows.
or not. For this table, how many rows are there? 5 rows only.
5 rows.
If you are able to write this condition, how many rows it can delete?
5 rows.
5 rows only. What does it mean for this?
5 rows.
5 rows. Entire data. Currently, as per our table, 5 records. Now, if I am able to, all the employees, I am able to remove this table data permanently. What I am going to do next? What I am going to do next? If I am currently, if you are able to run this query, how many rows it is deleted? 5 rows only, correct? Now, after removing data, if we are able to remove all the employees for this table permanently, what I am going to do? Which command I need to write here? Next,
Commit.
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 Okay. If you are able to write the commit, all the rows is deleted permanently or not? Now you can tell me.
Yes.
No, currently I don't want to write the commit for understanding purpose. Just I am going to write the rollback. Just if you are able to write the rollback, all the employees data is back to your table or not? Now you can tell me.
Yes.
With the use of rollback, if you are able
Under
to,
one
after
step.
deleting the data, from where the data is stored, immediately temporary area only. Temporary area. If you are able to apply the commit, the data immediately stored into a database. Now, after deleting the data, immediately where the data is stored, temporary area. If you are able to apply the rollback command, again the data is back into our table. Correct? Just apply the rollback. Now you can check it. Now rollback is complete. Rollback is complete. Now here go to your table. Again the data is back to your table or not? Now you can check it. Is it back or not? All of you clear this or not? All of you clear for this? Delete from xxemp insert. How many rows are deleted without writing any condition here? All the rows it is deleted. Now if you are able to apply the commit after execution of this query, if you are able to apply the commit, all the 5 employee records data is deleted from this table only. Currently I don't want to do like that. Later I can show it. Just that's the reason I am going to apply the rollback. After applying the rollback, all the employees data is back to our table only. Restore the data. Why? Because rollback. If you are able to use it as an insert command, for this command, what it is the purpose of insert level? You cannot store the data, that particular data into a table. This is the delete. Delete is reverse. Just check this. Okay. Now what is my next requirement? I am able to remove this record. First employee data. How we can do that? How we can write the query? What the syntax? One syntax it is there or not? Where condition? We can use that condition. Now I can write it. How we can write the single row? Single row deletion. Okay. How we can do that? This is for all the rows. Just know what it is. All the rows we are able to delete. Currently, for this scenario, I am not able to apply the commit. Later I can show it. This is all the rows. Single row. How we can delete the single row? I am able to delete this employee information only. How we can do that? Just I am going to write the query like this. Delete from, what is your table name? Write the table name. Where, just I am going to write the condition. Where employee number equal to 1. What does it mean for this? If you are able to write the condition like here, where employee number equal to 1. Only this query, it can delete the employee number 1 information only. It won't touch the remaining employees data. Without writing this condition, if you are not able to write this condition, only up to this, without highlighted query, if you are able to run this query, it can delete all the rows only. Without writing where condition. If you are able to write the where condition for this particular employee number equal to 1, only 1 record it should be deleted. Now run the query. Now run the query. How many rows are deleted? First 1 minute, I can take the backup. then I can tell you. Here I can write one query, backup purpose. One by one, I'm going to write it as select star from. I can take it as a backup, whatever the data is there in this table. Okay. Table is created. Now I am going to delete the record. Just check it. Now for this query, I am going to run this single row. How many rows are deleted? How many rows are deleted?
1 row.
Only, for example, one employee is resigned in the company. How they can delete? By using this condition only. Now I am going to apply the commit. Just check it. Now after applying the commit, after resign the job for this company, any one of the company for this table, okay, for this employee number one is resigned, they are able to remove the data from this table, apply the commit only. Now you can tell me, after applying the commit, first employee details is present in this table?
No.
Just check it, if this data is present or not. After applying the commit, now I am going to do this. Check, is there any employee number one data?
No.
Is there any employee number one details are exist in this table after deleting this record? Is it clear? Up to this, all of you, how we can delete the single row in your table? This is the way we need to write the query. If you're able to delete if you're able to delete all the rows from the table, how we can write the query? This is the query only, above query. This is the query we need to write it. Okay. Now you can tell me next requirement what it is. I want to delete the multiple columns, multiple rows. Okay, just now we have seen the single row, multiple rows. I'm able to delete the multiple rows. How we can delete? I want to delete as a 4 and 5. 3 and 4 I am going to delete. What is my current requirement? I'm able to delete the third employee and fourth employee details only. How we can delete? Multiple rows only. More than one row. This is called as a multiple rows. How we can write that? Just this is the condition we need to write. Delete from xx underscore emp underscore insert where employee number in, just I am going to write as a 3, 4. This is the later I can explain what is mean by in operator. Everything later I can explain. How we can delete the multiple rows from your table by using this condition only, where employee number in 3, 4. Now, if you are able to execute this query, how many employees are deleted? 2 employees. Now run the query. Just check it. How many rows are deleted? 2 rows only. Now I am going to apply the rollback. By mistakenly, if you are able to do this query, if you are able to execute this query, just I am going to apply the rollback. Just see this. Now the data is back to our table only. Now run this query. Now run this query. Select star from xx underscore emp underscore insert. Okay. Now 3 and 4 employees are the data as it is only. Now same query I am going to exit again with applying the commit. Now you can see what is the difference. Now I am going to apply this. Okay. Now I am going to here I am going to apply the commit. Now you can tell me, is these 2, 3 and 4 employees data is permanently from this table or not after applying the commit? Yes, to commit is complete. Now check the data. In the previous 3 and 4 employee details are present. Now you can check it. Is it present? 3 and 4. Is it there? Clear up to this, all of you? What the use of delete command? Delete command is a DML command only. Just the interview will ask the question like this. What is the differences between delete and truncate? Once you can understand this, then I can tell you the truncate command. Now, can we use the in the delete command always? What is the purpose delete? Delete always, it can delete all the rows from a table. Yes, it's possible. Delete command, by using delete command, single row. Can I delete the single row or not? Is it possible or not? Already we have seen the example, single row. This one, above one. Can I delete the multiple rows? Is it possible or not by using delete command? Multiple rows. Yes, it's possible. Can I delete all the rows from the table by using delete command? Is it possible or not? All the rows. Yes, it's possible only. Is it clear up to this? Can I use the where clause? Can I use the where condition in the delete command? Is it possible or not? Can I use the where condition in the delete command? Where clause is there or not? Where condition?
Yes.
It's
Yes.
possible only. These are all the differences only. Now, after deleting the data, now immediately the data is deleted permanently. Is it possible?
No.
How we
Roll
can
back.
delete the data? After deleting the data, which command we need to write?
Commit.
Commit only. Without applying the commit, can I delete the rows permanently? Is it possible? Without applying the
No.
commit, it won't possible. After deleting the data, then you can apply the commit only. This commit is called as explicit commit only. What does it mean for explicit commit? Whoever write the query means developer, sir. You are a developer, me is a one developer, others also one developer. So whoever write this query, that person only they can write this commit. This is called as explicit commit only. What does it mean for this? Explicit commit. Explicit commit means you can write the query. You can write this commit only. This is called as a explicit commit only. Okay. After deleting command, what we are going to write? Commit only. If we are able to apply the commit, all the employees data you can delete permanently only. Without writing this commit, can I delete the data? Is it possible? No. It cannot possible. After applying the commit only, you can delete all the rows permanently only. That is called as a delete command only. Anyone is having any doubts for delete command? Clear up to this, all of you? Can I move to next one? One more example for the same only. Now I am going to explain one more example. Now you can tell me the answer. Okay. Delete only. First understand the delete. Later I can explain the truncate also here. One more table it is there. Select star from xx underscore student underscore insert. Already we have created this table also in the previous. How many rows are there for this table also? Just I can take the back. Create table. Just I'm going to take this table. Before do this backup as select star from table name only. Now run this query. New table is created. Backup table is created. Now I'm going to this is the original table. This is the backup table. Now just first now you can tell me. I want to delete all the rows. How we can write the query? What is the syntax? First I can write the syntax. Now you can tell me the answers. Delete from table name only. Okay. What is the optional syntax? Where condition. This is the optional syntax. Now what is my current requirement? I want to delete all the students from this table. Now where condition is required? Now you can tell me.
No.
For this scenario, where condition is required? I want to delete all the student details at a time. Now where condition, no need to use it. For that case, how we can write the query? Delete from what
Table
is your
name.
table name? Which table all the students are present currently for this table only. Now you can tell me. Now, after deleting this data, all the student data is deleted permanently. After execution of this query, no, I don't want to apply the commit. Now you can tell me all the student data is deleted permanently or not?
No.
When it should be deleted permanently?
After commit.
After applying the commit. Correct or not? Just run this query. Now I am going to apply the commit. How many rows are deleted? 5 rows at a time you have deleted for here as of now. Okay. Now commit also I am going to apply. Commit is also applied. Now you can tell me, is there any data is present in the xx underscore student data table? Student insert table. Is there any data?
No.
Why? Because why the data is not there? Now you tell me. Why the data is not there?
We did delete command.
After deleted the data, you can apply the commit. That's the reason all the rows deleted permanently from the table. Is it clear up to this, all of you? How we can delete all the rows? How we can delete the single row? How we can delete the multiple rows? Is it possible or not? Now you can tell me, for this current table, is there any data? Is there any data?
No.
Now already we have taken the backup or not? What is our backup table name? This is the backup table. Correct? This is the backup table. Just now we have taken this backup. Now every data is there in the backup table. Now you can tell me, I want to store the backup table data into this table, xx student insert table. Now we can tell me how we can get it. All of you clear the requirement or not? Currently, this table data is not there. But both the table structure, it should be same or not? XX student insert structure and XX student insert backup structure, both it should be same or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, if the structure it should be same, how can we insert the existing table data into a new table?
Insert into old table name.
Yesterday we have written one method, correct or not? Third method. What it is? Insert into, for this table there is no data. Take the table as a new table name only. Next, what I am going to do?
Select star.
Select star from whatever the table data it is present, take that table name only. That's it. Just you can take that. XX underscore student backup. Now run the query. All the rows are inserted. Just apply the commit. Now all the rows are back into this table. Now in the previous, there is no data in this table. Now run it. Now all the rows is back into this table or not? This is the way we need to do that. Clear? Now you can tell me. In this table, now how can delete the multiple rows? I am able to delete the 1, 3 and 5. How can write it? I am able to delete the three rows. What are all these? Student number 1, student number 3, student number 5. I am going to delete these 3 records. How we can delete?
Where condition.
Where
Delete with
Where
where
condition.
condition.
Where condition only, correct?
Condition.
Delete from just
Table
observe.
name.
student insert.
Table name where
Where
what is the
Student
condition?
student ID
Employee,
equals
Column name
employee
here
ID.
is the unique column. Take this column. In later I can explain what is the use of it.
One.
Thing 1,
Comma,
3,
2,
5.
5.
That's it. This is the way we need to write the condition. Now run the query. Now how many rows are deleted? 1, 3, 5. Some duplicate data also is there. Just 1 minute. I can apply the rollback. I think we need to enter the duplicate data. It is there. Student number, it is coming
Yes.
here twice. Correct or not? This is the duplicate. If you are able to apply this column as a primary key, later I can explain. Constraints topic it is there. If you're able to apply this column as a primary key, for this particular column, it won't be able to allow the duplicate values. Currently, we don't apply any column as a primary key. Normal table only for this. No need to apply any constraints on this column. That's the reason it can allow the duplicate values here. Later I can tell you. For example, how many rows are deleted? 4 rows only. Why? Because it is a duplicate record. It is there. That's the reason it can delete the 4 rows. Now, if I am able to apply the commit, now after deleting the data, you can take some time or not. After deleting this record, only 4 records are deleted. Immediately 4 records are deleted permanently.
No.
No.
No. After deleting the data, if you are able to apply the commit, it can take some fraction of seconds or not. You can write this commit or not? Who will write this commit?
Yeah.
Who will
Develop-
apply? Who will write this commit? Whoever write this query, developers only, correct? Developer only. It can take, after deletion of records from the table, you can apply this commit command. It can take some fraction of seconds or not. Now you can tell me, immediately is it delete?
No.
After run this query, immediately all the rows are deleted from the table. Is it
No.
possible without applying the commit? You can write
No.
the commit. It can take some fraction of seconds only. Correct or not? It can. That is the way. That's the reason. DML commands are always slower only. Later I can tell you 1 minute. Now apply the commit. Now apply the commit. Is it clear up to this? Commit complete. Now we can check the data. How many rows are present? Only 1 record is exist in this table. 4 records are deleted. Only 1 record is existed for this table only. Is it clear? This is called as a delete command only. Now I am going to move it as a truncate. Just observe here. What the use of truncate only. Okay. What the use of truncate? Truncate also, it should be similar as a delete only. Truncate also, it should be similar as a delete only. But why do we want to use these 2 commands? Already delete is there. Why do we want to write the truncate? Truncate is a which command? Which language command? Truncate.
Data manipulation.
DDL command. Correct or not?
DDL.
Data definition.
Sorry, DDS.
DDL. Delete is a which command?
DML.
DDS. DML.
DML. Correct or not? Now here, truncate and delete, both it can delete the records only. It won't touch the columns. Now after this, just 1 minute, I can write here also. Now, after deleting the rows, is it delete any column names by using delete command? Already we have seen this here in the previous. After deleting this table, just 1 minute. Now run this query. How many rows are there here? Again, it is going to struck. I can copy it first. Next topic it is, what is truncate only? Truncate is a which command? Truncate is a which command? It is a DDL command, correct or not?
Yes.
Now, what is the purpose of truncate? Truncate and delete both, it can delete the rows from your table. Truncate and delete both, it can delete the rows from your table, but it won't touch the columns. Okay, but truncate already delete is there, but again, if you're able to write the truncate, what they use? If we are both the commands, it can delete the rows only. But what is the main purpose? Only one advantage is there in the truncate only. What is that advantage? Advantage is there, disadvantage is also is there. Now I'm going to tell you what is the syntax. First truncate, table, table name only. What is the syntax? Truncate, table name only. But here there is no where condition. DDL command, just remember this pointer. DDL commands, it won't support the where condition only. DDL commands, it won't support the where condition. Already we have seen the DDL commands. What are all the DDL commands? Create. Can I use the create command any where condition? Now you can tell me. Create command, is there any, if you are able to see any where condition in the create command?
No.
In the alter command, can you able to see any where condition? Alter.
No.
Rename.
No.
Drop command, is there any where condition? No, only where condition it can support the DML commands only. Just remember this. Okay, DDL commands, it won't support the where condition only. What is the syntax of here? Truncate, table name only. What is the syntax of delete? Delete from table name.
Table name.
Now here can I
Where
write the where condition or not? Where condition is the optional. If you are able to use this, then you can use it. If you don't use it, no need to use. This is called as a delete command syntax only. Now what is the purpose of truncate command? Truncate command, what is the main advantage of truncate command? Truncate command also, it can delete the rows from the table permanently only without applying the commit. What the use of this truncate command? Truncate command also, it should be work as a delete plus commit only. Just remember this point. Delete plus commit. If you're able to write the truncate command, truncate table name. Truncate table name, if you are able to write the query like this here, it can delete all rows from table permanently only without applying the commit also. Who can apply the commit for the truncate command? Internally, the system, it can apply the commit immediately. After deleting the rows, immediately the system, it can apply the commit. That commit is called as implicit commit only. What is this? Truncate level, what is that type of commit? It is called as implicit commit only. In the DML command, what type of commit we have written? What type of commit we have written? DML commands. Who can write the commit for DML commands?
Only developer.
Developers only. Developers means that commit is called as explicit commit. Who, after deleting the data by using truncate command, who will apply the commit for this scenario? System.
Why
System is
system
nothing
will
but Oracle. Oracle immediately it can apply the commit by using truncate command only. That's the reason this is the powerful command only. Now, after truncating the data, can I roll back? Can I get back the data into a table? Is it possible? It won't possible. Why? Because immediately the system it can apply the commit. That is the one drawback of truncate only. That is the drawback of truncate. Now, if you are able to delete some records, if you are able to by mistakenly you can delete the rows from the table, still you cannot apply the commit. Can I get back the data into a table? Is it possible or not? All of you understood the requirement. For example, any one of the table, EMP 100, this is my table name, EMP 100. For this table is having 1000 rows. How many rows are there for this table? Example. If you are able to write the query, truncate table name. What is our table name? EMP 100. Now next, what is the syntax? Delete from EMP 100. Now what is the difference between these two? Now you can, whatever you can understand, now you can tell me. Now you
Delete
can tell
from
me.
Where clause can be used in delete? Where clause can be used in delete?
No, not only where clause. What is the use of, what is the definition of truncate?
Permanently delete.
If you are
Without
able to
commit.
write the condition like this, truncate table name. For this table is having how many rows as per our assumption?
1000 rows.
1000 rows. If you are
1000
able
rows
to,
deleted,
if you are able
we
to
are
write this
unable to roll back.
condition, 1000 rows, it should be deleted.
Permanently.
Immediately it should be deleted. Why? Because system it can apply the commit only. Is it clear up to this, all of you? What the use of truncate? Truncate and delete, both it can delete the rows only. But which one is the faster? Truncate only. Why? Because you cannot apply the commit. Immediately the system it can apply the commit. After deleting the rows, immediately system it can apply the commit. That is called as a truncate only. Now come to here. Delete from table name. Now if you are able to execute this query. Now after execution of this query, how many rows are deleted? 1000 only. But is this 1000 rows deleted permanently? Now you can
No.
tell.
No.
No.
temporary.
After applying
We
the
can roll
commit,
back.
after applying the commit, then the rows it can be
Permanently
deleted
deleted.
permanently. Some time gap it is coming or not here.
Yes.
After execution of this query, for this truncate command, immediately you can execute this query. 1000 rows deleted permanently. Why? Because the system it can apply the commit internally only. Now here come to this. After running this query, delete command, it can delete the 1000 rows. Okay, is it delete 1000 rows immediately? It won't possible. Now you can write the commit like this. The syntax you can write. Some fraction of seconds it can take it here. That's the reason DML commands are very slower. DDL commands are very, very faster. Why? Because the system it can apply the commit internally. That's the reason DDL commands are always faster only. Clear up to this, all of you? What the use of truncate command? Truncate also, it should be similar as a delete command only. Both it can delete the rows. Both it can delete the rows. Now, if we are able to write the syntax like this, truncate table name only. In your whatever the table you have given here, that table how many rows are there? That rows deleted permanently only without applying the commit. Correct or not? Now come to this delete command. Now come to delete command. After execution of this query, delete from table name, all the rows it should be deleted. After applying the commit only, that particular table data is removed permanently from the database. Otherwise, it won't delete. Only for those rows are stored into the temporary area only, temporary memory only. Now, can I use the rollback in the truncate command? Is it possible?
No.
It won't possible. Why? Because internally the system it can apply the commit. All the rows are deleted permanently. If you're able, after deleting the rows, after applying the commit system internally, the rollback it won't support. Correct or not? Now, only when will go for the truncate command, when will go for the delete command. If you're able to delete the rows from your table. Now, if we are confidently all the rows are deleted from the table, then you can go for the truncate command. If you are in dilemma, if you don't know, if for example, by mistakenly, if you are able to delete one row from the table by using delete command, can I roll back it? Is it possible or not for here?
Yes, yes.
Now, can I remove the single record by using truncate command? Is it possible?
No.
It won't possible. Why? Because there is no where condition here. Correct or not? Can I delete the multiple rows by using truncate command? Is it possible? Can I delete the multiple rows? Is it possible by using
No,
truncate? Why? Because where condition it won't support here. If the where condition is it support, you can delete the single row, you can delete the multiple rows.
multiple rows.
Only possible for what it is truncate command, it can
Delete
delete
all
all the
rows.
rows only. It can delete all the rows only. Is it clear up to this, all of you? What is the difference between truncate and delete? Now you can tell me. Now what is the use of truncate and delete? First I'm going to write the truncate. You can write it. What is the first day? What type of command for this truncate is a which command? DDL only. What is this? Which command for this? DML command only. Now you can tell me.
DDL.
Delete all the rows. Is it correct or not? Delete all the rows permanently only. Here, delete all the rows. Is it permanently?
Rollback
No.
option is there.
Rollback is possible. If you're
Yes.
able to apply the commit, then it can delete all the rows. Correct or not? But here, it won't permanent. When it will permanent, you can apply the commit. Here, this is called what type of commit? Explicit commit. Okay. Now here, what it is? Can I delete single row? Is it possible? Delete
No.
single row. Is it possible?
No.
No.
Not possible. Now here, is it possible or not?
Yes.
Single row is possible. To delete single row, it's possible. Just like that, roughly, I'm going to write it here. To delete single row. Now here, is it possible? Multiple rows? Can't
No.
possible to truncate multiple rows. Now you can tell me, can I delete the multiple rows? Is it possible or not? Multiple rows.
Yes.
Now here, can I use the rollback?
Yes.
For here, truncate.
No.
Truncate, it won't support rollback. Only
Yes.
commit.
No,
Commit
no,
also
no,
you cannot
no.
write it. Only delete it can support the rollback. Now here, now you can tell me.
Yes.
Truncate, it can support the where condition.
No.
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 No, only correct. Now here, to support where condition or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Now here, DDL commands are faster or not? Why? Because
Yes.
it is faster. We cannot write any commit.
Write any.
Directly system it can apply the commit. DML commands are always slower only. Now just try it. Now I am going to remove the data from the table by using truncate command. Just check it. Now these are the points it is there. Now I am going to write the truncate command only. Just here I am going to write it. What is the table for this scenarios? Already you can understand. Now here, okay. Now currently what is the table name here? Is there any data? Select star from 1 minute. If it is not there, we can insert XX underscore EMP underscore insert. Is there any records? Currently, how many rows are there for this table? 2 records are there. Now I can write the truncate syntax. Just check it. Truncate table name. This is the syntax only, correct? Now here I am going to write it. Now you can tell me. Truncate table name. How many rows it is deleted? As per this table, how many rows are present as of now?
2.
2 record. If I am able to write this condition, how many rows are deleted? Is the command it can delete the rows permanently or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Why? Because this is a truncate command. Truncate is a DDL command. After deleting the rows, immediately the system it can apply the command. Okay. Now run the query. First, without writing this, can I write the where condition only? Where? Just observe here. Where employee number equal to, I am going to write the query like this. 2. Is it work? Now you can tell me.
No.
Truncate, is it support the where condition? It won't support. Just say this. Is it support? Simply it can throw the error. Invalid truncate option, missing keyword, something it is there. Is it clear up to this? Truncate, it won't, DDL commands, it won't support the where clause. Can I delete the multiple rows? Is it possible? This is a single row. For example, by using truncate command, I'm going to delete multiple rows. Is it possible or not? Now check it. Truncate, table name. Just I'm going to delete the 2 rows. For what it is there in the table. How many rows are there? 2 and 5. Just I'm going to write that condition where employee number in 2, 5. Is it delete? Is it work? Now you can tell me, is it work?
No,
No, sir.
Why? Because why?
where class?
The truncate,
Where
it won't support the where condition. Correct or not? No, run the query. Again, it can give the same error only. Why? Because where condition it won't support. Is it clear up to this? Now you can tell me, I'm going to truncate this syntax only. Truncate table name only. What is our table? Now you can tell me how many rows it should be deleting after applying this query. How many rows are there in the table as of now? How many rows are there?
2.
If I'm able to run this query, now you can tell me how many rows are deleted. Truncate table.
2 rows deleted.
2 rows are deleted. Now, can I get back those records into the table by using rollback? Is it possible?
No, it's
No.
not possible.
Take it. Now I am going to delete the 2 rows. Now I am going to delete the 2 rows only. 2 rows are deleted. Table is truncated. Okay. Now, after truncating the data, can I write any commit here? Just check it. I don't want to write any commit, but just I can write the roll. First, you can check this. Is there any data or not for this table? Select star from XXEMP insert. Select star from XXEMP insert. Is there any data? Currently, after truncating this, there is no data. Just I can apply the rollback. Just observe here. I can apply the rollback. No, rollback is complete. Now again run this query. If the data is back to your table,
No.
No,
not possible. Just check it. In the previous, if you are able to write the delete command after applying the rollback, the data is back to your table or not? In the delete level.
Yes. Yes.
Now clear up to this, all of you? After applying the truncate command, you are able to apply the rollback also. The data is not back to your table. Why? Because truncate is a DDL command. After deleting the rows, immediately the system it can apply the commit. That's the reason the rollback it won't support here. Clear? Now truncate and delete, is it clear all of you? Can I explain one more time for delete? Or is it sufficient? What are the differences? These are the differences it is there. What is the major difference between delete and truncate? What is the major difference?
Truncate delete permanently.
Truncate delete the rows permanently only. Now, if you're by using delete command, it can delete the rows only, but it won't permanent. When it can permanent, after applying the commit only, the records it should be deleted permanently only. That is the major difference only. Now, the other differences, what are all the other differences? Truncate can I support the where class?
No.
Truncate it can support the rollback?
no,
Truncate it can delete the single row?
No.
Truncate it can delete the multiple rows?
no.
Yes, multiple. Truncate multiple.
Rows it won't possible. All the rows it's
Complete.
possible.
All rows.
Complete rows.
Okay.
Multiple means some specific records.
Okay.
Out of 10, only you need to delete the 4 records. Is it possible? Truncate, it won't possible. All the rows, it's possible. That is the major difference only. Is it clear? Truncate, this is the interview question also. Compulsory, this question will ask the interviewers. What is the major difference between truncate and delete only? Okay? Can I explain one more time or you need to sufficient for this, sir?
Recording
Sufficient,
stopped.
sir.
ఒకసారి చూడండి ఇక్కడ delete చూడండి.
No,
delete
sir, sufficient.
ఒకటేసారి ఇక్కడ రాస్తాను చూడండి. ఒక టేబుల్ ఏదైనా తీసుకున్నాము బ్యాకప్ తెచ్చుకుందాము ఒక్కసారి. సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ XXEMP ఇన్సర్ట్ 1 minute. బ్యాకప్ తీసుకొస్తున్నాను నేను. ఇన్సర్ట్ ఇంటూ జస్ట్ ఈ టేబుల్ తీసుకొని బ్యాకప్ లో మనం ఆల్రెడీ తీసుకున్నాం కదా బ్యాకప్. దాని ఇక్కడ బ్యాకప్ టేబుల్ ఇవ్వండి. బ్యాకప్ వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ కోసం చెప్తున్నాను దాన్ని. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది? మొత్తం టేబుల్స్ వచ్చినాయి. జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ అప్లై ద కమెంట్. మనకేంటి ఆ టేబుల్లోకి రికార్డ్స్ అన్ని వచ్చేసినాయి. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇక్కడ నేను డిలీట్ రాస్తున్నాను. డిలీట్ ఫ్రమ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ టేబుల్ నేమ్, దిస్ టేబుల్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నాకేంటి దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పండి దీని. ఇప్పుడు నేను డిలీట్ ఫ్రమ్ టేబుల్ నేమ్
మొత్తం rows delete అయిపోతాయి.
టోటల్ రోస్ డిలీట్
మొత్తం.
అవుతున్నాయా లేదా? కానీ ఇక్కడ పర్మనెంట్ గా డిలీట్ అవుతుందా?
No.
కమిట్ అప్లై
Without commit.
ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది, రోస్ డిలీట్ అయినాయి. ఎప్పుడు మీకు డిలీట్ అవుతాయి పర్మనెంట్ గా రాయాలంటే మీరు కంపల్సరీ
Commit
కమిట్.
కమిట్
దీని వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, సమ్ టైం అనేది ఒకవేళ మీరు కమిట్ రాయలేదు 1 అవర్ తర్వాత మీరు అప్లై చేద్దాం అనుకున్నారు, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది 1 అవర్ టైం వేస్ట్ అవుతుందా లేదా? ఇక్కడ అర్థమవుతుందా? ఒకవేళ బై మిస్టేక్ మీరు చేయలేదు, బై ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది డే చేయాలనుకున్నారు, డిలీట్ చేశారు డేటా, బై మిస్టేక్ మీరు ఏమనుకున్నారు చేసినా అనుకున్నారు డిలీట్, కానీ ఆ టేబుల్లో డేటా అలాగే ఉంటుంది. ఎప్పుడు మీకు డిలీట్ అవుతుంది పర్మనెంట్ గా కమిట్ అనేది అప్లై చేయాలి. అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, టైం సెన్స్ అనేది ఇక్కడ వేస్ట్ అవుతుందా లేదా? ఇక్కడ మీకు సమ్ టైం గ్యాప్ వస్తుందా లేదా?
Yes.
ఇక్కడ ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఐ గోయింగ్ టు అప్లై ద కమిట్. చూడండి జస్ట్ నేను ఒకవేళ కమిట్ రాయలేదు ఇక్కడ, ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, జస్ట్ చూడండి ఇక్కడ డిలీట్ అయిన రోస్ అయినా కమిట్ రాయలేదు, రోల్ బ్యాక్ రాస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, నాకు ఆ డేటా బ్యాక్ వస్తుందా లేదా? ఇక్కడ
ఎస్
అగైన్ ద డేటా ఇస్ బ్యాక్ టు యువర్ టేబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు అప్లై ద రోల్ బ్యాక్.
Yes.
ఎస్
జస్ట్ కాల్ రోల్ బ్యాక్ రాయండి. ఏమైంది, నాకు రన్ చేయండి ఇక్కడ టేబుల్ ఫర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ పర్పస్. చూడండి ఇక్కడ సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్
Access employee. Search.
ఈ టేబుల్ కదా. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి నాకు ఏంటి, రోస్ అన్ని బ్యాక్ వచ్చాయి. ట్రంకేట్లో మనకి అది పాసిబుల్ ఉందా? ఆల్రెడీ చూసాం మనకి ఎర్రర్ త్రో చేసింది. ఎర్రర్ ఏం త్రో చేయదు, డేటా ఈజ్ నాట్ బ్యాక్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి నాకు ఈ డేటా రోల్ బ్యాక్ రాయడం వల్ల బ్యాక్ వచ్చి, ఇప్పుడు నేను రోల్ బ్యాక్ రాయలేదు ఇక్కడ, ఇప్పుడు డిలీట్ చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఏంటి కమిట్ చేస్తే నాకు ఏమవుతుంది, అప్పుడు డేటా పర్మనెంట్గా డిలీట్ అవుతుందా లేదా? బై మిస్టేక్ మీరు డిలీట్ చేసుకున్నారు, మీకు ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ డిలీట్లో. బై మిస్టేక్ మీరు ఏదో చేశారు పొరపాటున, ఏంటి మీరు కమిట్ అప్లై చేయకపోతే ఆ డేటాను బ్యాక్ తెచ్చుకోవచ్చా లేదా? ఇజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ హియర్ ఆర్ నాట్ బై యూజింగ్ డిలీట్ కమాండ్? ట్రంకేట్లో అలా ఉందా మనకి?
No.
ట్రంకేట్ ఇట్ వోంట్ పాసిబుల్, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ట్రంకేట్ ఎప్పుడు మీరు కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా వెళ్ళాలి, మీరు అన్ని రికార్డ్స్ నాకు ఓకే అనుకుంటేనే మీరు ట్రంకేట్ యూజ్ చేసుకోండి. దట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. ఒకవేళ మీరు నాకు వద్దు, నాకేమో చెప్పలేము ఎటువంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ వస్తుంది అంటే మీరు యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ డిలీట్ కమాండ్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, క్లియర్ అప్ టు దిస్?
Yes.
ఒకవేళ చూడండి ఇక్కడ కమిట్ చేశాను, ఇప్పుడు కమిట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ టేబుల్లో రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయా? నథింగ్.
No.
నేను జస్ట్ మళ్ళీ బ్యాకప్ రాస్తున్నాను. చూడండి ఇక్కడ బ్యాకప్ చేసి నో యూ కెన్ టెల్. ఇప్పుడు నేను ట్రంకేట్ చేశాను, చూడండి జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ట్రంకేట్ టేబుల్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది మీకు తెలియడానికి చెప్తున్నాను అంతే. ఇప్పుడు నాకు టేబుల్ ఎన్ని రోజులు ఉన్నాయి, ఇప్పుడు యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో నేను బ్యాకప్ తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ కమిట్ అప్లై చేయండి. ఇక్కడ కమిట్ చేశాను, ఇక్కడ చూడండి నాకు మళ్ళీ 5 రోజు నేను బ్యాకప్ తెచ్చుకున్నాను, ఆ బ్యాకప్ టేబుల్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ తెచ్చుకున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు నాకేమవుతుంది, ట్రంకేట్ టేబుల్ ఏమంటే ఏమవుతుంది, ఎన్ని రోజులు డిలీట్ అవుతున్నాయి? 5 రోజులు.
5 rows.
ఇది కూడా
5
మనకి
rows.
డిలీట్ గా వర్క్ అవుతుంది, కానీ ఏమవుతుంది ఇమీడియట్ గా సిస్టమ్ ఇంటర్నల్ కమిట్ అనేది అప్లై
కమిట్
చేస్తుంది.
చేసి
ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది, ఇది ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు నేను చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు కమిట్ రాయకపోయినా నాకేం కాదు, గో టు యువర్ టేబుల్. సో నేను ఇక్కడ కమిట్ కూడా రాయలేదు, ఈ టేబుల్కి వెళ్ళి చెక్ చేసుకుని అన్ని రోజు డిలీట్ అయినాయా లేదా? ఆఫ్టర్ ట్రంకేటింగ్ ఆల్ ద రోస్ డిలీటెడ్ పర్మనెంట్లీ ఓన్లీ. ఇక్కడ చూడండి నేను ఏం చేశాను, దీని తర్వాత రోల్ బ్యాక్ రాశాను. ఇప్పుడు నాకు రోల్ బ్యాక్ చేస్తే డేటా బ్యాక్ వస్తుందా? ఇస్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ హియర్? ఆఫ్టర్ ట్రంకేటింగ్ ఇట్ వోంట్ పాసిబుల్. కాబట్టి చెక్ చేయండి ఈ టేబుల్కి వెళ్ళి, ఏమైనా డేటా వచ్చిందా? నథింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ అడ్వాంటేజ్. చూడండి ట్రంకేట్ అనేది ఏం చేస్తుంది, డిలీట్ చేస్తుంది. రెండు ఒకటే సేమే, ట్రంకేట్ అండ్ డిలీట్. ఏమవుతుంది ట్రంకేట్కి ఏంటంటే ఇమీడియట్గా సిస్టమ్ కమిట్ అనేది అప్లై, దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే ఇంప్లిసిట్ కమిట్ అంటున్నారు. మనం రాస్తే ఏంటి, డెవలపర్ ఎవరైతే క్వెరీ రాస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళు దాన్ని ఆ కమిట్ ఏమంటున్నారు, ఎక్స్ప్లిసిట్ కమిట్ అంటున్నారు. అంతే, ఇంకేం లేదు. దిస్ ద మేజర్ డిఫరెన్సెస్. ట్రంకేట్లో మనకి ఇవన్నీ వర్క్ అవ్వవు, వేర్ కండిషన్ వర్క్ అవ్వదు కాబట్టి సింగిల్ రోని డిలీట్ చేయలేరు, మల్టిపుల్ రోస్ని డిలీట్ చేయలేరు, రోల్ బ్యాక్ సపోర్ట్ చేయదు. ఓకే, క్లియర్? నేను టుమారో కూడా తీసుకుంటాను క్లాస్, అది నేను రేపు డిసైడ్ చేస్తాను. నేను వంశీని అడిగి ఏ టైమింగ్స్ అనేది గ్రూప్లో మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను. నైట్ ఉండదు, మ్యాక్సిమం ఈవినింగ్ లోపే ఉంటుంది. నేను కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకొని గ్రూప్లో పింగ్ చేస్తాను టైమింగ్స్. ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఓకేనా? నేను అదే వంశీని ఒకసారి కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకొని చెప్తాను టైమింగ్స్. ఒకసారి రేపు మీకు ఏదో మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఉన్నాయన్నాడు కదా, అది పోనీ ఈవినింగ్ ఏమన్నా ఉంటే చెప్పగలను. నేను పింగ్ చేసి చెప్తాను, నేను గ్రూప్లో పింగ్ చేస్తాను ఏ టైం అయినా. ఒకసారి ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ పాసిబిలిటీ అయితే అంటే ఆఫ్టర్నూనే తీసుకుంటాను. ఓకేనా? ఓకే అండి మరి.